slick it was. It was pretty slick before it rained real hard, so I can't imagine it's going to be any better right now. Ricochet, you want to be all the way on the outside here, turn in and accelerate through. Car track all the way out, accelerate down to Big Bend here, brake in a straight line, turn in nice and late, and then we accelerate through the apex. Quick hard brake here to set the front end. Turn in. Super slow. Mid track, brake before the turn. Turn in here, we're slick. We're still slick. Here we're looking for the second apex. Let the car track out, just keep the steering angle nice and constant. Big bend, brake in a straight line, turn it in, nice and smooth, accelerate through the apex. Brake in a straight line here, rattlesnake.
Starting first lap.
That was real slick earlier, so we're taking it a little bit easy. Following the stripes. Hello.
Almost.
Just about ran out of room.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it is slick.
Is that your ABS popping?
No, that's the tire sliding sideways.
Oh, okay.
Not on the brakes.
I'm sorry, that was a dumb question.
No, that's all right.
They were talking about when the downshifting class in that last class I was in. That was a pretty interesting conversation.
Yeah.
And you're doing it just like they were describing it should be done.
Yeah, because you want to do it before you're through the corner, like while you're braking.
So you don't unsettle your car again.
Yep.
Slide.
Yeah. Yeah, it's slick.
Yeah, I don't have the nerves to run it that hard into a corner yet.
Yeah, if it was dry, we'd go another 20, 30 mile an hour around there. We're tiptoeing right now.
154.99.
We had the ABS come on. There is no grip through that part. Look at that. Nothing. Woo!
Look at that.
Little drift there. That was a big drift.
Nice to be in a quieter car.
Yes. It doesn't wear you out as much.
red and yellow flag mean?
Blue and yellow is
Yeah,
the
that's what I meant. That's
passing flag. The faster car behind you, you need to let by.
156.87.
Have you been in a car where you don't have to shift, where you just, if you drove my car on this track and drove it hard, would you shift or would you keep it in third gear?
I'd still have to shift.
Oh, you would?
Yeah, we'd run out of third gear.
Oh, we would?
Yeah.
Third gear is like 115.
Yeah.
You think we'd run out of third?
I do 111 in this one. I got 220 horsepower.
I guess I'm just not pushing my car that hard.
Well, it's because like if you're going slower through the corner, you're starting from a much lower speed.
Oh, yes.
Right?
Yeah.
So,
peace. Yeah.
starting to dry out a little bit. Still slick in a lot of places though. Here. Okay. Get through here without sliding.
Not yet.
Yeah. Gotta go really slow though.
Next left, apex later. Nice work.
Oh, yeah, you're coming out of that at almost 80.
Yeah. And that's in the wet.
Oh.
It's still slick as snot out here.
Next left, brake longer.
Sliding across the line there.
Why are some parts of the track slicker than others?
That's how the track drains.
Nice
Oh,
work.
okay.
Oh, there's a
Front row.
144.26.
can't park there.
Next left, apex later. Nice work. Good apex.
Just trying to be super smooth with it being slick.
Next left, brake longer.
Trying to do that one wider than normal to see if there's more grip out there. Not much.
Nice work.
Downshifting spot on.
Yep.
I know you know that. That's
Doing my heel toe.
It's a pleasure to observe it.
Yeah, and it's something that you can practice. So basically the best way to learn it is you can just sit in your car while it's not even on, and you can practice the foot placement until you can do it without thinking about it. And then you can come out and try it a few times and see how well it works.
Yeah, to where it's muscle memory.
And yeah, once it's muscle memory, you know, you're not really doing anything too complicated. You're just rolling the side of your foot over to flip the throttle when you shift. Thank you. We're a little offline, so we're going to adjust. No, there's no grip over here. So that's the bottom of the racetrack. Everything goes down that hill.
Progressively getting faster, aren't you?
Yeah, a little bit. Track's drying out a little bit. I know where the dodgy spots are.
157.34. Next left, apex later.
That's what she says.
Nice work. Track out. Next left, brake longer.
What's it saying?
Told me to brake longer.
Oh.
It uses the previous laps to figure out what we can still do.
Oh.
Nice work.
Show it all the way back in second. Yeah.
We got a ways before the next passing zone, so.
What does your car weigh?
2,800 pounds before we get in it.
Yeah.
Starting to dry out a little bit.
Next left, turn later.
And we're starting to pass them again.
Yep. Second time passing most of these people now. See that Camaro behind us?
Oh, yeah, no. Yeah, it's gone. It's gone. You done smoked it. Damn, you almost had to put it in first.